Hello friends, this is Durga from ITversity, a one-stop shop to learn all the technologies. As part of my channel ITversity, I upload a series of videos in the form of playlist to cover a particular topic. So as part of that, I am announcing a new playlist under the administration category, which covers Hadoop administration using Cloudera distribution of Hadoop. And if you have a good laptop, like at least 16 GB RAM, you can set up a 4 node you can set up 4 VMs on your laptop and set up a 4 node Hadoop cluster, which will give you close to hands-on experience, and then you can actually practice to gain as much expertise as possible before getting into Hadoop administration roles. So it requires setting up, it means if you are using Windows laptop, it requires setting up Cygwin to follow the playlist, and then you have to install something called SSH and Telnet packages, and then you have to install VMware Workstation, you have to set up a template, install CentOS, you have to configure network on the template, and you have to do so many prerequisites by following all these videos. And once you have done all these things, you have to clone into 4 VMs using this template and use those 4 VMs those 4 virtual machines to set up the cluster. So being resource constraint on laptop, I might not be able to cover all the Hadoop administration of Cloudera on virtual machines, but whatever is the basic components, whatever are the basic components as part of the Hadoop administration will be covered under this. And once you are done with this, probably you might have to spend money on AWS and try to set up a true cluster, and then you can cover advanced topics which I will be covering on AWS. So there will be another playlist for AWS also, and if you go to my channel and go to the library, there is a playlist called Hadoop CDH on AWS. So these CDH on AWS and CDH on VMs can go hand in hand for most of the topics, but for advanced topics I might not be able to cover on VMs, but I will be covering on AWS. If you want to get hands-on expertise on those advanced concepts, if you don't have good laptop, you might have to consider following this playlist and set up a Cloudera cluster on top of it, and then go with the advanced concepts. Okay, so we will go through this. And also one more thing you need to keep in mind is, if you want to give CCAH certification, which stands for Cloudera Certified Administrator of Apache Hadoop, the playlist you are using here to set up the cluster is good enough, because most of the advanced concepts are not part of the certification curriculum. But if there are any things that you need to learn, I will and if it is not covered as part of setting up the cluster on VMs, then I will explicitly mention in my playlist designated for the certification. So irrespective of whether you want to give the certification or not, if you want to practice on VMs, this is the playlist you have to go through, so that you set up the VMs and then set up Hadoop on top of that. That being said, I hope you enjoy the idea, you like the idea. If you like it, please click on the like button. If you want to provide the feedback, please use the comment section of the video. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. You will get to see a lot more content like this over time. Thank you. Bye.